What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be working on the Dodge Stealth. I'm very excited about this. We're going to attempt to get that motor on the engine stand. We're going to see how that works out. And yeah, we're just going to be working on some shit today. And with that being said, further ado, let's get into this shit. Okay, so first things first, I need to kind of organize it just a little bit more. So right now, looks like a mouse made a slight nest in here. Should be good now. So while I was lifting it up. Cables I don't want to have getting ripped. Make sure everything is like out from underneath the block pretty much. Sure. Alrighty, let's take a look at this block. Okay, so one of the hardest things to do, in my opinion, on this engine is the headers while they are on the car. And I think I can get away with doing the front one, but I know I cannot do the back one because I'm pretty sure I don't have enough clearance. But we are gonna take this one off and then clean up underneath everything and then go from there. Gotta have the monster, bro. Essential. Oh, these 14s. Figured. 14. Yep. Got it. Got it. Fuck. That hurt. Oh yeah, there goes the shakes. There was probably a better way to do that. And now I'm missing the top layer of my hand. There's only like 2% battery on this thing, but this one down. Check that off. I just want to crack all of them. Fuck me. Go for the easy ones. That one I'm not gonna be able to hit. pretty much almost all out except for this one, which I'm definitely gonna have to use a wrench for. 14. Magic number. Oh, yes. Ah, fuck. God damn it. Everything's going everywhere. Sick. Okay. That's good mother freaking news, dude. That's good news. All right, so now I'm just gonna take these off one by one. Oh, shit. I wonder if I'm gonna need the pry bar for this one. Oh man, these are some crusty ass headers. Oh my God, and it comes off with ease. Look at that, and this gasket's barely used, but I don't think this is gonna be, it might be usable. That looks brand fucking new. Okay, we'll keep that in good shape. Word. This whole fucking side of the block down. Clean it all up. Pretty much soak the whole side of the motor. And now we'll just start from the top and work our way down. For the shorter day, I've been talking with my family and everything, and just kind of enjoying my time out here. It's been a while since I came out to my cars. We did get this all organized, cleaned up and everything. The engine's wrapped back up for the day. About to go watch the Eagles game, you already know. So with that being said, I got the headers on. Got the timing covers on for the timing belt. Just got a few more things over here to swap over. But I'm just cleaning up. I wanted to do a little outro for the video. More videos coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed and safe day.
Taking nails on my back, hearing you back. Say you can't get enough. Like the taste of your blood, right in your neck. Show me how much you can take. Push you to the edge, my tongue cuts it like it's a knife. There's no need to hold back, cause my lips give you the breath of life. Feel the negative presence in your head, but I can't get enough. Waking up from a dream to a nightmare. Don't know how much I can